Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex. Today's word is blank, an A2 level noun meaning an empty space. A blank refers to an area or a surface that has nothing written, printed, or marked on it. We often use it to talk about gaps or unfilled spots in documents, forms, or even our minds. Now, let's look at some synonyms. A close synonym for blank is empty. For example, the glass is empty. Another synonym is void, as in his expression was completely void of emotion. On the flip side, let's explore antonyms. An antonym for blank is filled. For example, the page was filled with writing. Another antonym is occupied, like in the parking spot was occupied. Now, how do we use blank in everyday life? You might say, can you fill in the blank on this form? Or, my mind went blank during the presentation. Here are a few more examples. The test had several blanks to complete, and she stared at the blank canvas, unsure where to start. Remember, blank means an empty space or something without content. It's the opposite of being filled or occupied. That's it for today's word, blank. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoy Hello Word, please subscribe and leave a review. It really helps other learners find the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using blank and share it in the comments below.